like to give you a video introduction to Canvas used for this class. First, some things that are used with Canvas for all your classes. If you click on your name at the left, go to Settings. Okay, you may see this on the right. If you're on a mobile device, you might see it down here at the bottom. Ways to contact. You want to add an email address or other contact is if you want text messages. If you do email, please use an email address that comes to your phone that you check very consistently. Okay, then you want to go to notifications, and I would only have a few things come right away. You might want to have these due dates. Okay, I'm going to turn that off because I don't have due dates because I'm the teacher. But you might want to have that due date check marked, announcements, grading, and also conversations. Okay, all the conversations. Let's go back to grading. That check mark where it says include scores, you want to make sure your scores come to you, not just saying you have a new grade. Okay, what else is in Canvas for all classes? The inbox on the far left, that is your message center. You can message me through there, and that's how I'll message you. Okay, that will be how I contact you. Okay, also the calendar. The calendar can be used to show your due dates also. On this right side, you want to make sure you have a color in the classes that you're taking in those little boxes. If it doesn't have a color, just click on it until it does. Okay, let's go to June. So you can see the due dates for the 2 classes that I'm teaching this summer. You'll see this for the classes you're taking, and it'll be color-coded according to that on the right. Okay, what about Canvas for our specific class? Okay, so you can go to your dashboard or you can click courses. Your dashboard should be your current classes. So let's go to statistics. Here's some information on how you can contact me, when the class begins and ends, and how to get started. Okay, some information on what you should do to get started. So click Start here. You'll want to read through the orientation model and then take this orientation quiz. Next, you want to go to the course introduction, and it gives information on what we're going to be doing in the class. Okay, our course policies, due dates. I would suggest printing that so you have it handy, you know what's due. Okay, registration instructions. We'll have online homework. This lets you know how to register. And then I have a list of some things to know, what order you should do things, and some important information about each of those. Okay, some notes about what's graded, attendance policy, late policies, okay, technology, another place where you can see how to contact me. Okay, if I don't respond within 24 hours, you can assume I did not get your message. I will always respond within 24 hours. Okay, if you send me a message through Canvas, you can look at it in Canvas, or if you have your notifications, you can see what I wrote you. Okay, and then about calculators, you will need one. It does not have to be expensive. These 3 right here, I think, are good calculators for a very reasonable price. Okay, and then our grading scale. Okay, let's go back to modules and see how the course is set up. Once you're done with the module, you can close it by clicking on it. Okay, if you want to read more about me, you can do that there, and about your instructor. Notes about my math lab, that is some pro tips for how to be successful. Next, you're going to have your weekly modules. You always want to start with the notes. After you read the notes, you'll see the things underneath it that are your assignments. Anything with a date and points is a graded assignment. So let's look at what a week will look like. You click on the notes. You'll see what sections we're covering, what we're going to be doing, an application, what you should read, what pages in the book, notes that I made for you, suggested book problems. Those are not graded, they're practice only. Okay, they're odd numbers, so if you want to see examples before you get started on your work, you can look at those. And then some videos from the book and some extra notes. Once you've read all of that and watched your videos, you're ready to start your homework, so you can click next. Your homework is going to be in my math lab, and I will post a separate video on how to do that. And that is how you'll use Canvas for this class.